everybody, good morning or good afternoon. Happy Wednesday, y'all. What's up to all my MVP riders? What's up to y'all? Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching all of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Because of you, yo girl, keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to ALDI. I'm only really going for one thing. I made the decision to stop buying ALDI single wick candles, like the specialty candles. You know, the 3-wick candles that comes in the mini form scents as well. I might still buy those, if y'all understand what I'm saying. I might still buy those, but some of those specialty candles, like that come in those other type of jars, I think I'm gonna start passing on them. One, I have way too many candles. I'm not burning through my candles fast enough, and they're just sitting. And I love Bath and Body Works, and I love other brands. So I had to come up with the decision of not buying some of ALDI specialty jars or single wick candles, because I just know they don't perform well. Now, if a candle come out that I truly love, then yes, I might buy it. I gotta slow down, and I have to stop buying some of those candles. So I'm going to go up here and head to ALDI. I'm actually looking for something. Hopefully it's on clearance. I already bought the item, but I want to buy a second one. Hopefully it went down a little bit more, and that's a video that I will be posting very soon if I haven't posted already. But I'm getting ready to go and try to find another one. I might as well tell y'all another plant box, the planter boxes. If y'all seen those in y'all store, they were retailing for like $50, but when I bought my other one, I paid $20. Hopefully they're a little cheaper. I think that store just hadn't marked them down a little bit more, but I think at the store that I normally shop at, they might be like $12. I don't know. It's been out for a while. I don't even know if the store is still gonna have them, but I'm finna check. Hopefully I can find that item. I might grab maybe 4 candles, because I haven't been to Aldi's in a while. So I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna see, and I might grab some of those other candles that I missed. I might grab those. Bath and Body Works is doing a moisturizer sale. I don't think I'm gonna go there. I don't know. But let's get this video going, and if I go, I go. If I don't, I don't. So let's get this one going. All right, let's go, y'all. And the mission begins. Of course, I seen these candles, and I love these candles, but I don't like the lids on these candles. But like I told y'all earlier, this is a pass for me. I'm not gonna buy the specialty jar candles anymore. Well, at least try not to. But I feel like this candle for $20, that's overpriced. Yes, it is big, and I think you're just really paying for that bowl, to be real honest. But this was a pass for me. $20, no go. These diffusers, I keep on showing y'all these diffusers. You need to get on board with these diffusers. Look at my wallflower hack to see how you could use your wallflowers inside of that. These candles was a pass for me as well. $2.99 is not a bad price, but because I have so many candles, I could pass on a lot of candles. But I might go back for this sandalwood rose one. I'm just saying, if it's still around, marked down, I might grab that one. You never know. These single wicks. Now, these are the single wicks that I was talking about that I still might buy for $1.89. You can't beat that. But again, I have enough candles. I could pass. Love these marble cheese boards, even though I probably would not use them for cheese boards, but I do like those. I don't even know the price of them. They had these $1.50. Can y'all believe that? $1.50. And I think it was just only on 2 of the scents. Pass on this. Pass. Single wick, specialty jar, a pass. Now, if they go for $1, I might revisit that. But as for now, no, not for $7. Pass. I love these affirmation candles, but because they're single wick and in the tin jar, I already know they're not gonna do good. $12 or $13 is a pass as well. This is store number 2. Like I said, y'all, I was on a mission. I was on a mission to find the item that I was looking for. This store really didn't have a lot of stuff that I was looking for, so this was a quick visit. To be honest, I didn't even stay in the store long at all. As you see, I'm just really panning through super quick. They had the gaming chairs for $20. I didn't even see what the regular price was, but they did have those chairs at that store for $20, and as well as some of the other stores for $20, but it was a pass. I grabbed that gaming chair at a different store. Store number 3, bingo! This is what I was looking for, and I found it at the price that I wanted to pay. $12.50. Oh yeah, I had to get that. And I was actually asking the guy if they had any more, because I got it in the gray, but they only had that tan color, but I didn't care. These candles, 99 cents. Oh my goodness. I did pass though, because I don't need that. I couldn't believe all the markdowns that ALDI's have now. You know, they starting to mark a lot of candles down. And this store that I'm in, they don't never mark nothing down. Oh my goodness. They almost got to beg these people to mark stuff down. So when I went into this store, I was super shocked to see that they had so many items marked down. I passed on all those items. Only thing I wanted was that planter box. I'm done with all of my shopping. Of course, y'all know I always grab these. They had a lot of markdowns. Oh my goodness. I decided to grab some of these lighters, even though I do use the electric lighter, but because these were so cheap, I decided to get this, because sometimes I actually forget to charge that electric lighter. I absolutely love the electric lighter, but this is good for a backup. This was $2.30, I think, $2.30 or $2.39, something like that, which isn't bad for this. So I grabbed that. This conditioner, if y'all see this conditioner, this SC or however you say it, conditioner, this stuff is amazing. They had it on clearance for $3, I think. Let me see, here go my receipt. $3, yes. They had this on clearance for $3. The regular price is like $6. So it was 50% off. I thought this was an amazing deal, and I grabbed a couple. I grabbed both of the, let's see, what is this? 2 of the avocado conditioners and 1 of the peach, no, this apricot, the apricot conditioner. And then I grabbed 1 of the shampoo, because I seem to use more conditioner than shampoo in my hair. Yes, I do use a lot of shampoo, but I always use a whole lot. I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to conditioner. So this is a product that I stand behind, a product that I do love, a product that I do buy. So to get these big bottles for $3, oh yeah, I had to. And I feel like I should have got more, because I go through this stuff super fast. So yeah, I grabbed this. The next thing I grabbed was, everything I think I got was on clearance. Y'all see the little plant thing? I did find that. I'm so happy I found that. And then I got this gaming chair for Damon. It's like a little gaming rocking chair thing for him. This was $10. I think I can't even remember what the regular price was. But this was, I went to a couple of stores, but only one store had them for $10, which I was super shocked. The this planter, that was $12.50. The regular price was $50. So I grabbed that. Amazing. I'm super happy to grab that. They had these candles, these macaron candles, which I know I said I wasn't gonna buy no more of these specialty candles, but your girl can't pass up coconut too much. So for 99 cents, it is a 3-wick. This has been out for a while, and I only grabbed 1. They did have all of them, but I only grabbed 1. They did have some other candles, 3-wick candles for 99 cents, but I passed on that. I finally got the Sunset Driftwood candle. These were $1.89, I believe. No, these was $1.50. $1.50. Y'all know the regular price is $4. Typical Driftwood candle. It smells like it has like cologne, like a man's cologne to me. This is the Mandarin Lemon. Wow, I feel like I got this one, but this is strong. Lemon scented candle. This is strong. Citrus like. Wow, this is strong. And I believe I grabbed 3 of these because I really liked it. So I grabbed 3 of those. I grabbed 2 of the weekend getaway because I actually liked it on cold. Yeah, I like this. And it's a clean, fresh scent, almost like Tide. Yeah, so I grabbed 3 of these. I mean 2, sorry. I grabbed 2 of those. And then the Lavender Sea Salt. I grabbed 2. And again, these were all $1.50 each. Lavender, most definitely lavender. Yes, lavender. So that's basically everything that I got on this shopping trip at Aldi. Sometimes it pays to just wait and not rush, because as you do see, I got these for $1.50. Now y'all know most of the time when I go to the store on the release day, I usually will pay the $4 for these candles. I have no problem with that because I feel like Aldi candles is at a good fair price. So I have no problem with paying the $4, but of course if I could get them for the $1.50, why not? So ain't nothing wrong with waiting sometimes, y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with waiting. And like I've been telling y'all, Aldi mark they stuff down. Well, Aldi is starting to get so many of these candles. You don't have to run for these candles no more. It's not like it was 2 years ago where the stock was limited and we had to run for these candles. Now they starting to produce a whole lot of these candles and they're starting to mark them down. Now, like I did say in my other video, I don't know if that's going to change. I don't know if Aldi's going to start seeing that, hey, we are producing too many candles and we're losing money, so let's cut back on how many candles we ship to a store. Because these candles, I didn't even see these in one of the stores I went to. They were completely gone. So I don't know if they were gone because they had already marked them down and people just bought a lot of them. I don't know. But I'm just gonna start waiting for the markdown when it comes to Aldi candles. I'm sorry if y'all heard my stomach. Your girl is super hungry. But I'm gonna start waiting until Aldi mark the candles down, because like I told y'all earlier, I have more than enough candles. I don't have to run for these candles. Now don't get me wrong, if they do bring out a scent that I truly love and a scent that I really want, then yes, I will grab them. I really wanted some more of that strawberry lemonade candle, but the stores I went to didn't have it. It's not a big deal because I think I have like 4 of those candles, so it's not a big deal. So that's gonna be it for this shopping trip. I'm gonna see what they're gonna have next week. Next week might be another pass week for me, especially since Bath and Body Works has been dropping a lot of new stuff. So I could somewhat pass a couple of weeks on Aldi because I know their stuff will still be there, and then it'll be marked down, so I save a little bit more money. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, what have you been buying on your Aldi shopping trip? Have you been finding these candles, these 3-wick candles for $1.50? I know the single wick candles normally go super cheap, so leave that down in the comments. Let me know, what have y'all been buying at Aldi, because I haven't really been doing the Aldi videos. I haven't been doing any Aldi videos, so yeah, leave in the comments, leave your girl some comments, and don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff help, and I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.